Alright, hello.
Hi, Fish Fam. Welcome to Stacy's Tech's very first ever live stream.
Alright, today we're going to go over Angelfish genetics and see if we can teach her something about it. Are you ready?
Yep.
Alright. Well, let's see.
So,
First, we have this Angelfish genetics calculator at Angelfin's website. There's a link on the description, but I use this for pretty much all the pairs that I have go in, see what their offspring will be, and then what the offspring will produce if they breed. I think to start off, I guess we should talk about the parents. How many parents does it take?
two.
Right. So, we got genes. Have you had talked about genes and stuff in school yet? No?
I don't think so.
Alright. Alright, so you got these things in your blood and in all your cells, really. Called,
Is that the little twisty thing?
yeah, yeah, they're chromosomes. We have 23, how many angelfish have, but uh, everybody's got, and they're in these pairs that form a little X. But it's each side of the pair, then from each of the parents. So what happens is your body splits them in half. Color. Alright, so they get split in half. Split in half there and there. And so we'll end up with them separate, and the so each one gets split in half, and then one of those get passed to the babies.
Oh, so that's like how and was it Goldie or Whitey?
Oh, never was
Yeah.
with them. Was with
No, it was like on our
the
very
kois.
first ever. Oh, it was the koi. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
a koi with
Okay, so now with angelfish, we got all these abbreviations that we use, like for their main color. We got gold marble, regular marble, and then black or dark. And so, like we shown here, there's two pieces. Those represent the two lines here in the calculator. So when we say like the double dark angelfish, that's because they got two dark. Yeah.
so if it was double dark, then
Then each of these halves.
that one, this one was the pearl scale. That one was like the dark color, and then the babies, if you mix it with like boy, it would one of those would be um would go on to the
Well,
babies.
yeah. Well, like, so for the double dark angels we have, uh, this one would be a D, and that would be a D.
That looks like a child.
Now let's change the so D. And so one of those D's will pass to the baby from, let's say this is a father. And then let's say if we go with a cow, a marble, he's got two marble genes. So, okay. Is okay. So the parents, from each parent, okay, the mother's double dark and the father's marble will pass one of those. So what would the baby?
Each?
Yeah, one of the D's and one of the M. Well, it's kind of random which one goes to the babies, but here they're the same, so it doesn't really matter. So we go back to the calculator. They've got double dark and a marble. Then all their babies will be D and M, dark and marble.
Over and over.
They
So you
get 100%. You remember percents? That means all of them will be this. Yeah, but 100% means all of them. It goes 0 to 100. They'll be dark marble. So then it'll essentially look like marble. Let's see if there's angelfish. Google said. Yeah, they all look. Yeah, they pretty much look like marbles with just mostly black, not very much silver, white in them. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now those babies, they grow up and pair up. Now.
Oh wait, so like with the dark marble, it happens.
No. Well, that's another thing. We're not that far. So we got DM, DM from each of them. So now, what'll happen with the children if their parents are DM? Some will get a D, some will get a D over here, and then some might get like the D and this M. Or it could be this M with one of the D's, or this M with that M. So you get more combinations when you have different genes in there.
Boy.
If we combine those two, we'd get half M, half MM, and half, or 25% DD, MM, 25% DD, and the rest are a mix. Now when you want to do two things like pearl scale and that, back to that, then that's a whole separate chromosome, right? That's a whole other, pieces of this. Like if we had one that was pearl scale, a black one scale, and this one not marble, then its chromosomes won't have the P. They'll just be a wild type, which is like default. And so for that we write a symbol, meaning essentially nothing, just standard wild type angelfish, right? So here we can plug that into this. Uh-oh. There it goes. So what was it? And if this one, the thing with non-pearl scale,
Boy, what pearl scale and blush?
yeah, you can. Those are all different. But look at this. They all come out black hybrid, no pearl scale.
What?
What? See, with pearl scale, it's tricky. It has to have two P's in order for it to show up on their scales. And all the babies will get one P from this mother, whichever side, and from this side, what do they get? Just the plus. So no P. So all the babies have P and plus, which doesn't show up because pearl scale is what they call recessive.
Double.
Yeah, you have to have two pearl scales and then it shows up. Right? So, what did you say about koi? Start over.
Yes,
Like,
like
you want to know what it looks like? I'm not sure if they have. Here's gold marble.
what? That barely has any.
Yeah. Yeah, gold marble doesn't come up with very much black usually. This is from the Angelfish Society, the phenotype library, where they have pictures on many of the types of angelfish. So, koi have, these are all the different genes that we know about so far. Main color and stripeless, which koi have gold marble for their color and two stripeless. You remember how pearl scale you needed two to show up? Well, with two stripeless, it also gets weird. That's what makes them blushing. Their gill plates then are clear and you can see the red gills. But if it's just one and the other one's a plate, then you get what?
Oh.
Right, the ghost. They call it stripeless because that gene makes the four bars in your standard silver angelfish. You know, it's four stripes. You know what that looks like? If you have one gene that's stripeless, then those four stripes are gone, so stripeless. But then if you have two, it gets weird because they're stripeless and no stripes, and then their gill plate also goes clear. So like here in the video, we have a platinum male, backwards, platinum male and a koi female. Let's see, she's got veils, and he makes gold and blue, two blue makes a platinum. So,
Not in a lot. This was their time.
so when you have mother has gold marble, and the father has gold, what's the children gonna be with
Very
this?
gold. A
No,
little bit of marble.
it was just like we did with the marble and dark. You get one from each, so you get G and GM. Make, what do we have the babies there? What are they called? What are the babies called? Like
Why?
little whitey, blacky that we have?
Oh, they're the ghosts.
White gold.
White gold, marble gold.
Oh wait, I put koi. So I messed that up a little bit. But blushing and gold marble make koi. So then the babies come up white, gold, marble, ghost. Ta-da! Like little whitey and little blackie.
Yeah.
So,
But they're pretty much not like little.
yeah. Yeah,
Like,
little whiteys now
they used
having.
to be like that big, that little.
Oh,
Like
they were.
that big.
When they first hatched, they was little wigglers, like,
Yeah.
can't even see that big. But now little whiteys even having eggs, laying eggs. She's grown, it turns out. I think she's the female. So. And just like before with the pearl scale, this blue gene in platinum, it needs two to show up. So the babies will have one blue, so it won't really look.
That's been the fourth time of year.
It won't really look. They shouldn't. These babies in the corner that I have playing shouldn't have show any blue really, since they only have one gene of that, right? But if they were to breed together when they grow up, what will happen?
I don't know.
Well, if two types of those, like this, it's got gold marble and gold, one stripeless, they're ghosts, and one blue gene, which only shows up if there's two blues. Look at this.
Whoa.
54 different.
Whoa.
Because you're mixing veil, blue, and the main color. So the color, the stripeless, the veil, and the blue. Mixing little bits of each of those, you can get gold, platinum, gold veil, platinum veil, gold coat. Which gold ones already don't show the stripes. So gold ghost probably will look the same. Platinum ghost the same way. Sunset blushing.
Do we have that?
Even some platinum blushing, which I call Pareba Sunset. That blushing veil. White gold marble. Blue white gold marble. That one's interesting. If there's pictures
That's a
of
phone
that
cover.
on see. Yeah.
Hey, that looks like a Dalmatian.
That looks
It's
kind of
a
neat.
Dalmatian fish.
I'm not sure if platinum blue. Yeah.
What?
A little bit of blue in the fins and stuff.
Like a Dalmatian. Very.
But yeah, so you can end up with quite a lot of different variations from mixing just two of the babies up there. You don't know what type. Although they're all white gold marble ghost with one dose of the blue. So they're all the same, but then their babies would be there are 54 different types. That's wild. Alright, what else? So we got There's color and smoky. We don't have any of the smoky ones, but they here's how they look. They got like a brownish gray covering.
I don't really like it. It does have veil.
Yeah, some of
Oh, that
these
was
ones are
cute.
veiled,
It's so
but
little. It's a baby
it's
veil.
an interesting different gene. There's this streaked, which only shows up on dark angels. They end up with white streak there. So it's a really minor one. Veil, no those.
Whoa.
Super veil,
Whoa.
a long tail. So, what other types do we have? Like right now, we're growing up those double dark veil. If we mix that with one of those pairs off with what? How about the double dark? See, that's dark, double dark plus blue. Uh-uh.
Wait.
If we mix one of the regular double darks with the double dark Pinoy, that's dark and blue, how will the babies turn out? Well, they all have double dark, D, 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 D. So the babies will get a D from each parent. So all the babies will have double dark. And then, like these babies in the living room have veil. So the ones growing up are the black, double dark ones.
Oh.
I was saying mix one of those with like the baby blue, dark blue ones. Then, see the blue is only one dose again, so it doesn't do anything. Because you need two, right?
Yeah.
But then, if we mix those babies in, give the veil for now. Then, wait for their babies to grow up. They'll end up with what? You'll end up with some double dark plain, some double dark that have the one dose of blue, but it won't show up. So these two will look the same, double black. And then a few will have the blue.
And like, can you have like two? Like, will it be like twice as much? If you had two, you had two pearl skin. You have two. Like, if you had two of the blue cheese, would like what I'm trying to say is like that like two of like one that that don't eat two. Would it be twice? Would it be like better?
But yeah, like dark, that's one. Where there's only when there's one dose of dark. How does it look? Dark. Well, when there's only one, they don't have pictures of one. They call it dark lake angelfish. See, it comes up looking like this. You still see the stripes, it's just lightly black.
Wait, look, that one right there is like here. You can like wait, you can like see the plants behind it.
No, it's
See?
just pattern of the marble.
Oh.
It kind of lines up with that plant though. But yeah, with just one dose, you can still see the stripes behind it. Their fins are pretty black. But yeah, and then you get second dose, and it's completely black, solid. See the ones that are capital letters on here means those are more dominant, and so they'll show up stronger than the lowercase letters. Like if a dark and gold mix, they'll pretty much look like a dark with no gold. Gold is recessive, they call it, and they denote that with the lowercase. So down through here, they show all the phenotypes. Half black, that's recessive, so you need two of those. Veil, it's a capital V, because with one it's dominant and it shows. It's V and plus, that still shows. When you add two, it gets really long veils. Pearl scale needs, it's lowercase, so it needs two. Albinos need two. Blue needs both.
Super veil? That's long.
Well, I suppose if there's also a lot that we don't know in the genetics. Like super veil will get a long tail, but you could probably breed, measure how big their tails are, and take the longest long tail and breed it with another one that's got a long tail, and eventually over several generations you could probably get it even longer. Like that's what they did with guppies to make these extra long tails. But eventually you get, it's already, because Goldie had the super veil tail. Yeah, she's the female one. Yeah. And so it, get much longer, and they probably won't even be able to lift it up. Because that was really long. And like koi, you have a huge range from, like this koi is just a little bit of orange on up to ones that are really bright red and orange over their whole body. So that, you got your koi, but then you have to breed orange ones with more orange ones to get their babies to have as much orange and red as possible. So yeah, you can refine it once you got the right genes in there. You can mix them up to get more brighter colors or more fins, long fins. What else do we have? Another angelfish you want? Would you say the platinum one? How about the sunset blush?
Yeah.
There's,
like a blushing and a platinum.
right. Actually, if we mix, if the blushing with the koi, as they were, then they would both be blushing. See what you would get. Since they all have SS on both of them, all the babies will be blush. And then for the color gene, what do you end up with? One gold marble from the male and one, or whatever, and then just gold from the female, end up with GMG, the white gold fleshings. Right? So they still come up, they call them gold or boy. But I wonder if it would look any different. Google has. Is a standard gold. Has, I thought it was a double gold marble. Okay. I've seen somewhere talked about it like that. So there we go. So if babies were raised with what she said, boy, this one's definitely. But I had assumed she was with everything, and the babies would be babies we have. We have what, 100? Couple of batches are growing up. They would be some of them gold, white gold marble ghosts. They have
That's a
so
picture. Like
there's sometimes you can mix,
what? No, Google.
but this looking look.
Angelfish, just like angelfish. So like have fresh
Water angelfish. Yeah, yeah. See, there's like this one, extra stripes, which they call zebra.
But ooh, what about that one with
What do they say? This one they say is a leopard angelfish.
bird and this? Platinum. I mean, with
Oh yeah, this isn't so much the genes, it's light they get as babies and make these kind of goofy weird thing. But yeah, that isn't based on their gene.
then out
But
that one with that silver
silver, what, platinum?
and platinum. Keep on getting that mixed
Yeah,
up.
that'd be a regular boy. That's like what we did with
Oh.
these. That's what we had.
Oh.
That's what they're doing here in the corner. Boy and a platinum.
Oh.
It'd be cool to get blue.
Yeah. Yeah, like that one and like a gold.
This one has extra stripes. Normally they have 4 stripes. One in the eye, a couple in the body, and one there on the tail. So that's the zebra.
With a gold.
That's the zebra. What?
Gold.
A gold. If we look at it, gold will give 1G. The blue give what? Which one of these? They're both plus, right?
What would it be?
They'd all come out pretty much silver. Some of them zebra, some not zebra. See, because then there will only be 1 blue when they need 2. And the gold, they have 1 gold, but that you need 2 as well to actually look gold.
Okay, so then how about golden of the golden zebra?
Well, that would be hard because the golds don't show their stripes. I don't know. If you had a zebra, you wouldn't really know it until you see. That's another thing with all these genes. Sometimes if you don't know exactly what one has, then you have to test, have it breed with another color, and see how the babies come out. If that's where you can use this. Like if you have a silver that has all plus, then all the babies, like with a gold, all the babies will be silver, but they'll have some of the hidden genes that you need 2 of. So they'll have 1 bit of it in the genes. They'll see like a gold and a platinum, all plus. I should say silver. See, they all come out silver, but got a hidden gold gene. So even though it looks silver, and you may buy a silver at the store,
Might have gold.
you might have some of these that need 2 types, like gold or blue or albino or yeah. You need 2 doses of those. And so it can get more complicated. Is you gotta raise the babies up, wait until they're big enough to see their color, and then you can piece together what they were. Is there any more questions you got? I think this, like, how about cow? He's marble, and little whitey. Right? Because wait, let's see. He came from little Whitey was on gold. His mother, boy. So he came out white gold marble ghost.
Ghost.
Yeah. Got definitely black in him. So he could have been a gold ghost or gold marble, but we only had
Gold.
two
Marble.
survive from that batch. They ate all the wigglers.
Oh, yeah.
That was our very first angel spawning, which we didn't even notice till they were already wiggling.
Like, what is that?
Nope, I found it first.
Oh.
Oh, not that. So now we know that she's a female. And what's cow?
Marble.
Marble. He has no tail. She doesn't either. No others. What did they come out to be? Oh, quite a lot. A lot of different types. See? Marble, marble ghost, marble, marble ghost. So they'll be about half and half marble and marble ghost. But the marbles, see, notice, we got some marbles that have gold marble and marble. Some have marble and gold. They'll look the same, but you don't know which ones they'll be if they're MG or MGM. Yeah. And that's when you get two kinds that look the same but actually have different genes, and so they'll have, those babies would have all kinds of different other combinations. They both look marble, but you don't really know. I think that just about covers all of it. What else? Got mother chocolate. Talk about chocolate. The smoky. Smoky's a weird one when there's one little bit gray like we showed. See, it's like gray, brown covering. But then when they do two of them, look what it turns.
Oh.
They call it chocolate. Two. Sure, I haven't seen any for sale at any of the auctions and stuff that we've had here. Think you're getting tired? You're yawning 5 times.
Actually 6. Ooh.
Sunset.
Wait, the sunset.
Well, sunset is gold, just with blushing too. Gold and two stripeless. Gold.
Super gold. Super blushing.
Yep. Alright, well, I think that's all we...
No, don't end it.
We don't have anything else.
What we do?
About
We can look
sock puppets?
Look.
What?
Oh, not.
Oh, I was trying to knock off the snails from the glass with the little rigid air tube.
Oh.
And they just, sometimes angels will sometimes do it, but hopefully, well, like little Whitey here laid her eggs. She kept them for 4 days. Today she finally ate them after none of them hatched, but she at least kept them around. That's a record for any of our angelfish. I don't think any of them have kept them 3 or 4 days before deciding to eat them. little whitey here. She just ate those eggs this morning. So maybe she'll be, once we pair her up with another male that grows up. Right now she's ahead of the bunch, all the others. Yeah, that's about it. We've been going almost an hour.
What?
What do you want to do?
I want to look. I want to do.
Which one?
Like that one is.
Like,
whoa! Look at all these.
some of those are just, I think. Yeah.
What? That's fish food.
Yeah, I don't know the genetics of fish food.
Yeah.
Mix a red flake and a blue. How does it taste?
Gold. Gold angelfish. Whoa. Now we big close up of a fish place. Why is it so close up?
Frontal view of a gold freshwater.
That's a drawing. That's fresh. That's saltwater. Oh, what is that? Ooh, whoa. That's cool. It's like pink glowing. What is that? It doesn't say.
Age it came.
Oh, it's not really it. Right there. This. See what it is.
Yeah, it doesn't. It seems probably injected with some coloring or something weird. Not too many. You don't see
Like there's
that
a whole
every
bunch.
day.
Like, look at all this in the background.
Article doesn't really talk about how it came. Yeah.
That guy's holding an fish.
Size of his hand too.
Whoa.
Let's better get
That's
back
a
to
better.
Get back cleaning up the room. I need to do water change on the big tank. Want to do that? Out the canister filter and everything.
Can I do this? Something like.
What do you want to say?
Oh no, I said.
Nah.
You.
Well, go ahead. Just end it now.
It's not been that long.
Tell everybody thanks. All the viewers.
Bye.
See y'all later.